Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus K413E. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Asus K413E won't turn on, you may be facing a motherboard issue. This can happen for various reasons, such as power surges or hardware failures. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further damage, making the repair more complicated and costly. To carry out this repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, thermal paste, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any electrical damage. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of replacing the motherboard. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Next, remove the screws from the back panel using your Phillips screwdriver. Carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage the clips. Once the back panel is off, locate the motherboard. It's usually the large component in the center of the device. Check for any visible damage or burnt areas. To extract the motherboard, you will need to disconnect several cables. Pay attention to the ribbon cables, as they can be fragile. Gently lift the connectors using your spudger, applying even pressure. Remove the screws holding the motherboard in place. Be mindful of the torque, you don't want to strip the screws. Once all screws are removed, carefully lift the motherboard out of the chassis. Now, take your new motherboard and place it into the chassis, ensuring all connectors align properly. Reattach the screws, but don't over-tighten them, as this could damage the board. Reconnect the cables, ensuring they are secure and correctly positioned. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After the motherboard is securely connected, apply a small amount of thermal paste to the CPU area before reassembling. Finally, replace the back cover, ensuring all clips are secured, and reinsert the screws. To check that everything works correctly, power on your laptop and see if it boots up. If it does, congratulations on your successful repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to use a surge protector and keep your device clean and dust-free. Regular maintenance can help extend the life of your laptop. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.